How to export and import n8n workflows. So doing this, you can head over first to your workflow and clicking onto these three dots. On these three dots, you can find the download option. Proceed to click on this, and after that, this will initiate the download for this one. Now, onto a new page, click onto this plus and click onto this workflow, and let's create it on my project. Once that's done, you can head over and see it right here. So click onto these three dots, click on this import from file, and then locate the file that we have just downloaded if you want to import it back. I have in here this, click on open. After that, you can see that it's now been added and we can now retrieve it right there. You can just head over and then use it for manual import and export, or you can also automate it if you want to as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.